Alright, so this is my first time using this handheld vacuum sealer. We were sent this to test out, so we're gonna do this together. They sent all these bags. There are 3 different sizes. I'm putting it straight to work, sealing up some deer meat. So if you process your own meat, you know how important good sealing is. Freezer burn is not it. Everything comes pretty simple. You get the handheld vacuum sealer and reusable vacuum bags, which I like because I'm not dealing with bulky rolls or having to cut the bags down to size. So after I loaded the deer meat into the bag, I laid it flat and sealed the zipper first. That part feels similar to like a freezer bag, but the difference is what happens next. I line the vacuum up with the valve on the bag, press the button, and you can immediately see the air pulling out. It's actually really satisfying watching the bag tighten down around the meat. What surprised me is how strong it is for something handheld. It pulls the air out evenly, even with thicker cuts, and you don't have to fight it or hold it forever. Once it's sealed, the bag feels tight and secure. It's not loose. That's exactly what you're looking for when you're going to put meat into the freezer. I like that these bags are reusable, especially when you're sealing a lot of meat. You're not consistently burning through bags, and the cleanup is easy. This is way convenient than a big countertop vacuum sealer. I can keep this in a drawer, grab it when I need it, and use it without setting up a whole station. I would definitely recommend.